Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be creating an office look for an office day under 10 minutes. So let's get started. So I've already washed my face using the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash and followed this up using the Neutrogena deep clean toner. This toner really helps tighten up your open pores, and while I wait for it I hydrate my lips. I follow this step with Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. So I've been battling with acne scars and hyperpigmentation for a very long time, and this product has really made a difference to my skin and I can actually see the results. Next I use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel, and this cream is so light for summers and I've been using it for the last 3 years. Amazing. Kid you not, I found this concealer on Jovita George's YouTube channel. It's the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer, and oh my god, this product really conceals your marks right away. And what more can you ask for, honestly? And moving on, I'm going to be showing you the next foundation that I've just bought. It's the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I mean, yes, the name sounds like it's like Corona talking to us, like, hey bitches, can't stop, won't stop. It's Corona time. Although it's a full coverage foundation, the only negative comment that I'll give it is that it dries up way too fast, so make sure that you use a wet sponge. Next we use the Kiko Milano Sculpting Stick to contour our cheeks, nose, jawline, basically everywhere where you feel your fat. And use a wet sponge because I've tried using brush at time, but it somehow takes away the foundation and then your acne scars are visible. So it basically like fails the point of actually like contouring anything. It just becomes like blah. But again, I believe that you should follow what you're comfortable with. So that's that. I'm using the Maybelline loose powder to set my foundation, and I'm baking the areas under my eye, the side of my nose to give a thinner illusion, and under my cheeks so that it highlights my cheekbones. I mean, so-called cheekbones. Next, I use this brush that I got free from Shein for shopping too much and dust off all the excess loose powder. After this, we're going to move on to our eyebrows. I have already made a dedicated video on this. I'm linking it right here, so check it out and tell me what you feel about making eyebrows with eyeliners. Now, moving on, you'll be thinking that Kriti, who wears eyeshadow to office? But if I was going to office right now, I always wear a light tint of brown eyeshadow because your inner corner of your eyes are like always a little darker, and I like to neutralize it and look fresh. It makes a huge difference. And after creating the base, I always cover my inner corners with a lighter eyeshadow to give that pump to the eye, and then you absolutely look fresh with it. After this, I use this matte eyeliner by Faces Canada. This is again one eyeliner that I've been using for years. It is absolutely matte, long lasting and waterproof. And again, I always go in for winged eyeliners because it just gives you that lift in your face, especially when you have chubby cheeks like mine. And if you wonder if I'm a makeup artist, well, hell no, I'm not, but I'm just here to share my love for makeup. And of course, I'm not here to promote any product. I'm just here to like tell you about products that really work for my skin. And I'm going to finish my eye look with a mascara, and this really gives you good volume. Finishing this look with this Lakme 9 to 5 lip gloss that I got free from Nykaa, not because they like me as an influencer, but because I shop from them a lot and there were some offers going on. And to add to this, I'm using my bronzer as a blush because again, pink blush is a little too much for a working day, especially for a brown girl. Hey guys, this highlighter was not a part of this video, but I got carried away and I'm being brutally honest about it. So I ended up spraying setting spray all over my hair. Like, how amazing are my makeup skills? Like, so amazing. Congratulations! Also, there are a couple of products that I honestly don't use for a regular office makeup, but I'm just like so vela sitting at home that I ended up using a lot of products that I wouldn't usually use. So that's that, and I hope you're able to see the makeup look that I've created, and this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it, and if you're liking this, please subscribe, share and like the video. I really need your support right now. So have a good day guys, and be safe in the quarantine. Bye.